Bidet seat installation instructions may vary slightly by model. Please be sure to follow the specific installation guide included with your product purchase. You will need an adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a towel for this installation. First, remove your existing toilet seat and turn off the toilet's water supply. Flush the toilet to relieve any pressure from the supply hose. Disconnect the water supply hose from the toilet fill valve. Insert the new seat anchors inside the holes of the toilet bowl. Next, position the mounting plate over the bowl's mounting holes. Secure the mounting plate with the provided bolts and washers, but do not fully tighten yet. Install the bidet hose filter in the included hose. Then, position the seat on the toilet bowl and align the mounting holes with the mounting plate pins. Check the seat position and adjust if necessary, lifting upwards to remove the seat. Reposition the mounting plate as needed for alignment. Once satisfied, tighten the mounting plate bolts until secure. Then, thread the hose into the inlet port of the bidet seat, using an adjustable wrench to tighten 1/4 turn past hand tight. Be sure to verify the bidet hose doesn't interfere with the fill valve connection. To connect the water supply, remove the existing hose from the supply stop and verify that the gasket is installed inside the T-valve. Then, connect the T-valve to the water inlet on the toilet tank, as well as to the water supply hose and bidet hose. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten connections 1/4 turn past hand tight. Next, turn on the water supply and check all connections for leaks. Make adjustments as needed. Finally, test the seat's bidet wand function, noting that water can spray when no one is sitting on the seat. Do not activate the water until seated or until the seat opening is wrapped in plastic wrap. To test the cleansing features, sit on the seat or place your hand over the wand. Please refer to your bidet seat's installation guide for instructions specific to your seat model.